Welcome back to Vintage Nook, where timeless charm meets a touch of modern elegance. Today we're diving into vintage and luxe, small details that make a big difference from antique mirrors to lace table runners. We'll explore how the smallest elements can transform your home into a warm, stylish retreat. If you've ever wondered how to add sophistication without big renovations, this video is for you. So, grab a cup of tea and let's get inspired together. An antique mirror instantly adds depth and light to a room while also serving as a captivating centerpiece. The intricate carvings on an ornate frame reflect timeless craftsmanship, transforming plain walls into elegant backdrops. Their ability to bounce light creates the illusion of spaciousness, even in compact living spaces. When paired with soft lighting, antique mirrors amplify the luxurious mood of a room. Placed above a console table, fireplace, or hallway, they exude charm and sophistication. These mirrors don't just serve a function, they carry a story, subtly enriching your home with vintage allure and refined character. Replacing standard handles with crystal door knobs brings a touch of old-world glamour. Their sparkling facets catch natural and artificial light, turning an everyday detail into a luxurious accent. These knobs are both practical and stylish, evoking a sense of elegance every time you open a door. Beyond functionality, crystal knobs add tactile richness to your home. Whether used on bedroom doors, cabinets, or drawers, they whisper refinement. This simple detail elevates furniture and interiors without requiring major renovations, proving that luxury often lies in the smallest, carefully chosen elements. Velvet instantly conveys luxury, offering a plush texture that feels both indulgent and timeless. Adding velvet cushions or throws to a sofa or armchair creates a sense of richness without overwhelming the space. The material's deep hues absorb light beautifully, bringing depth and sophistication to any color palette. Layering velvet with neutral fabrics enhances comfort and visual interest. From jewel tones to soft pastels, velvet's versatility makes it perfect for vintage-inspired decor. These pieces are easy to switch out seasonally, allowing you to refresh your space while maintaining an atmosphere of understated opulence. Gold-toned frames provide warmth and grandeur, transforming simple artwork or family photos into statement pieces. They pair well with dark woods, floral wallpapers, and rich fabrics, accentuating the nostalgic charm of vintage interiors. Even a small gilded frame can change the tone of a room, making it feel instantly more refined. Mixing frames of different sizes and finishes creates a gallery wall that blends vintage luxury with personal storytelling. Displaying art or black-and-white photographs in gilded frames not only preserves memories but also enriches your walls with elegance. This detail makes ordinary corners radiate timeless sophistication. Elegant glassware adds sparkle and sophistication to both casual and formal gatherings. A crystal decanter set on a bar cart instantly elevates the ambience, transforming a practical item into a decorative centerpiece. These pieces remind us of eras when entertaining was an art, combining style with function effortlessly. Even when not in use, vintage glassware can be displayed as part of your decor. Placed on open shelving or behind glass cabinets, they catch light beautifully, adding shimmer to the room. Collecting unique glassware makes your space personal while reflecting a sense of luxury in small, thoughtful details. Brass candle holders bring warmth and a golden glow to interiors, echoing the grandeur of historical homes. Their reflective surfaces create a cozy ambience, perfect for intimate dinners or quiet evenings. Whether simple or ornate, brass adds richness without overpowering other design elements, making them versatile across styles. Grouped together on dining tables, mantels, or sideboards, they create dramatic yet inviting displays. The patina of aged brass adds character, showing the passage of time while maintaining elegance. This detail demonstrates how vintage and luxe decor thrives in the marriage of history, craftsmanship, and subtle beauty. A vintage rug grounds a room, infusing color, pattern, and history into your decor. Worn patterns and muted tones evoke a sense of nostalgia while still complementing modern furnishings. These rugs serve as anchors, tying together furniture and accessories while introducing timeless artistry to your home. The intricate motifs reflect cultures and eras, transforming the floor into a canvas of heritage. Whether Persian, Oriental, or Moroccan-inspired, each rug tells a story. Their rich textures add comfort underfoot, while their designs contribute an unmistakable sense of vintage luxury, enriching your living space with understated drama. Porcelain trinket dishes combine charm with functionality, providing a stylish home for jewelry, keys, or small keepsakes. Their delicate patterns and glossy finishes recall eras of fine craftsmanship, where even the smallest household objects carried elegance. Placed on vanities or side tables, they serve as both decor and utility. These dishes allow you to organize while showcasing personality and taste. Floral patterns, gilded edges, or hand-painted details elevate them into decorative treasures. With minimal effort, porcelain accents infuse daily routines with beauty, proving that luxury isn't about abundance but about cherishing even the tiniest objects. A vintage clock does more than tell time. It becomes a conversation piece that reflects your style. Whether ornate mantle clocks, classic wall pendulums, or Art Deco designs, these pieces evoke eras of elegance. Their presence adds rhythm and character, making interiors feel both nostalgic and refined. Placed strategically, clocks can anchor a mantle, entryway, or study. Their ticking sound and timeless design bring a comforting atmosphere. Unlike modern gadgets, Vintage clocks emphasize artistry and craftsmanship, enriching your home with a sense of permanence and quiet sophistication. Lace table runners soften a dining space, blending delicacy with vintage charm. Their intricate patterns add visual depth, drawing attention to your table without overshadowing it. Layered over wood or solid fabrics, lace enhances textures and creates an inviting atmosphere that feels both romantic and luxurious. Beyond dining rooms, lace can decorate sideboards, dressers, or coffee tables. Its timeless design complements flowers, candles, or seasonal decor, adding layers of elegance. These subtle details remind us that luxury often lies in refinement and heritage, making everyday spaces feel more special and thoughtfully styled. Thank you for joining us here at Vintage Nook, where beauty lives in the details. We've explored how thoughtful accents bring both vintage charm and luxurious flair into any space. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite little detail that makes your home feel special? Share it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more inspiration, and hit the bell so you never miss a moment.